Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one. This one is the Adidas cleats that's collaborate with the BAPE. This is the black colorway that was dropped back in February 2nd, 2019. Retail is $200. Colorway is black with the core black. And then the style number is EE7074. So this is the camouflage print cleats celebrating a bathing ape. Flashing an iconic camouflage print pattern. These football cleats are designed in collaboration with the bathing ape. Designed for convenient entry. They feature a textile upper and hugs the foot for enhanced support and fit. The cleated outsole offer extra grip for quick cuts and pivots. And let's go and then check on this specification real quick. It has a regular fit, lace closure, textile upper, cleats synthetic outsole, textile lining, tongues and heel pulls, hugs the foot, imported product color, again black, core black. So let's go ahead and unbox this to see how does it look. Oh, look at that. This is size 9. So let me give you guys the 360 view of the box real quick. This is the original, authentic. Come directly from Adidas.com. So cleats BAPE size 9. That is the style number. And it says football. This is made in Vietnam. As you can see, Adidas logo and then bathing ape. And here's another Adidas logo on the top of the lid. The brand with the 3 stripe. And here's another Adidas logo again with the bathing ape. And then on the bottom it is blank. Let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Check it out. Wow, look at the tissue. Has a bathing ape that face. Wow, look at that. Wow, this looks much better than in the photo on the Adidas.com. Got this like a chrome finish, like a grayish finish on the outsole. And then there's your Adidas logo right there. It's like a silver Adidas brand right here. You got the Camo, black Camo. Here is your 3 stripes. I'm not sure. Oh man, did I put it the wrong way? Yeah, I think this one they put it the wrong way. Hopefully I don't need to take out the whole lace. Just flip it. There you go. I was like, what that looks kind of weird. So it has a BAPE right here. And on the tongue right here is covered the lace system with this ID 0. And then you got the pull tab right here on the top of the tongue. That's Adidas logo with the silver. And then there's a rear pull tab right here. And you got the sock-like around your ankle area to hug your foot. And then there's Adidas logo with the Camo design. Let me turn on the flash, kind of dark. And on the tip of the lace, you got a bathing ape. With the registered trademark on both tips. It says the color treatment on plate will begin to wear off over time with the use. Uh-oh. So right here is like a printed material right here, and this is covered by a layer of I don't know, what's that, silicone to protect the cleats, and all the way here. Let's go and then check on the other one. Wow, look at this. It's an ape with the American flag color on their face. Again, this one is flipped out of the way. I'm not sure why. Is that doing the shipping, or they just try to cover to protect from scratch? I'm not sure. There's your silver 3 stripes again. Right here, as you can see, it's kind of defect, or you can see a whole bunch of glue right here, which is a no. Again, here is the rear pull tab. And then there is your size label right there. And then your ape with the American flag on the face. Let's go and turn on the flash since it's so dark. I'm going to try and show you both insole. Wow, there you go. Nice. As you can see, the insole, it is in BAPE camo finish. And you got this kind of metallic gray finish padding right here by your rear heel cup. And you got the bathing ape face right there, and then the size label. I'll try to zoom in. Sometimes people like to do some legit check. Made in Vietnam. And manufacture date is on November 2018. And then this is the other side of it. This one has the Adidas brand right there. And then there is your size label again. I'm not sure if I could take out the midsole and show you guys. Let me see. Okay, let me try to take out the insole. hope it's not gluing. Okay, there you go. So here is the insole. It says JVU 211. I'm not sure why it said UK instead of US. 728. So they didn't have Adidas logo over here compared to the Easy. Make sure you have those cutting right there on the notch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out this one. Wow, I'm not sure what's this. That was inside the shoes. I guess they forgot to take it out or something. I don't know what's that. So I want to show you guys what it look like on the inside without the insole. Alright, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. And I will try to put a try on video for you guys real quick. Alright, see you guys on the next one. Peace.